guys, we're gonna scare my cousin. I don't know why, but she's gonna be so funny. Here we go. Hey, Joe. Joe. Hello? Joe. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Dude, don't fret. What is wrong with you, kid?
What did I do?
Joe, stop. You're retarded. I'm gonna punch you in your face.
There's a madman. There's a madman. There's a madman.
What is your problem? What are you doing? Dude, put the camera down.
Not.
I swear to God.
This isn't funny.
I'm gonna punch you in your face.